Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners who want reliable ventilation, weather protection, and a clean, modern look. While they're designed for durability, regular care helps ensure they continue performing well over time. For homeowners in Loves Park, a few simple maintenance habits can go a long way toward keeping awning windows looking great and operating smoothly for years to come. Keep glass and frames clean. Routine cleaning is one of the easiest ways to maintain awning windows. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on the glass and frame, affecting both appearance and performance. Homeowners in Loves Park should clean window glass regularly using a mild cleaner and a soft cloth. Frames can be wiped down with gentle soap and water to remove buildup. Keeping surfaces clean helps prevent long-term wear and keeps windows looking new. Inspect seals and weather stripping. Awning windows rely on tight seals to block out air and moisture. Over time, weather stripping and seals can wear down or loosen, reducing effectiveness. Loves Park homeowners should inspect seals periodically for cracks, gaps, or brittleness. Catching seal issues early allows for simple fixes that help maintain comfort and prevent drafts or moisture intrusion. Check hinges and hardware. Because awning windows open outward on hinges, their hardware plays a key role in smooth operation. Hinges and locking mechanisms should be checked regularly to ensure they're functioning properly. In Loves Park homes, it's a good idea to open and close awning windows fully during inspections. If movement feels stiff or uneven, hardware may need cleaning or minor adjustment to restore smooth operation. Lubricate moving parts. Awning windows include moving components that benefit from occasional lubrication. Hinges and cranks can develop friction over time, especially if exposed to dust or debris. Using a light lubricant on moving parts helps keep awning windows operating smoothly. Loves Park homeowners should avoid heavy oils and instead choose products designed for window hardware. Remove debris from window tracks. Although awning windows don't slide, debris can still collect around window edges and drainage areas. Leaves, dirt, or small particles may interfere with proper sealing or drainage. Loves Park homeowners should gently clear debris from around the window frame and sill. This simple step helps prevent moisture buildup and supports long-term window performance. Test window operation regularly. Even if awning windows aren't used daily, it's important to operate them periodically. Opening and closing the window helps ensure hardware stays functional and allows homeowners to catch issues early. For Loves Park homeowners, this habit ensures awning windows remain ready for use when ventilation is needed most. Look for early signs of where small issues are easier to fix when caught early. Cracks in the frame, loosening hardware, or difficulty closing the window should be addressed promptly. Regular inspections help Loves Park homeowners stay ahead of maintenance needs, preventing minor concerns from becoming larger repairs. Clean and maintain screens. If your awning windows include screens, don't forget to maintain them as well. Dusty or damaged screens reduce airflow and detract from comfort. Removing screens periodically for gentle cleaning helps keep fresh air flowing freely. Loves Park homeowners should also check screens for tears or loose edges. Protect windows during exterior projects. Exterior work such as painting, landscaping, or cleaning can expose windows to debris or chemicals. Taking simple precautions, like covering windows during projects, helps protect frames and glass. For Loves Park homeowners, this extra care helps preserve the finish and function of awning windows. Consistent care makes a difference. Awning windows are built for long-term performance, but regular maintenance keeps them operating at their best. By cleaning surfaces, inspecting seals, lubricating hardware, and addressing small issues early, homeowners can extend the life of their windows. For Loves Park homes, these easy maintenance tips help ensure awning windows remain reliable, comfortable, and attractive, supporting everyday living for years to come.